how to convert an exFat drive to FAT32. This is a very useful process if you need compatibility with devices that only support FAT32. Let's get started. First, let's check the format of your drive. Plug in the drive you want to convert, then open this PC or my computer. Right click on your drive and select Properties. Here you can see the current format. In this case, it's exFat. To convert from exFat to FAT32, we'll need to back up any important data because this process will erase everything on the drive. Start by creating a backup. Once the data is backed up, we can proceed with the conversion. We'll use a free tool called GUI Format to format the drive to FAT32. Open your web browser and search for GUI Format FAT32. Click on the first link, which should take you to a website where you can download the tool. Once downloaded, extract the zip file and run the GUI Format.exe application. Now, after you form the GUI format interface, select your drive from the drop-down menu. Make sure it's the correct drive as this will erase all data on it. You can leave the allocation unit size at 3276. If you want, you can give your drive a new name under volume label. When you're ready, click Start. A warning will pop up reminding you that it will erase all data on the drive. Click OK to proceed. The tool will now format your drive to FAT32. This should only take a few moments. Once it's done, you'll see a message saying done, and that's it. Your drive is now formatted to FAT32. Don't forget to copy your backed up data back onto the drive. This process ensures your drive is compatible with a wider range of devices. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing the channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.